Alright, hey everybody, Lotto Lurvy here with another scratcher. This one is Red Hot Sevens. Are you ready to make millions? Well, I mean, on this time, I've got 10 chances to win $7,777, so, I guess it's a start. Alright, Red Hot Sevens. You gotta be careful with those 7-year-olds. Alright, here we go. What we need first is a black 7 to win the prize shown, and then we need a red 7 to win double the prizes. Alright, so we need a black 7. Alright, look out for the blacks. And we need a red one, so let's make sure let's hope we get some Indians on this one. Alright, here we go. Let's start scratching. Got my lucky coin here, and let's start scratching. Happy scratching to me. Happy scratching to me. I wanna win millions of dollars on a scratching ticket so I can get out of my crappy little farm town and make some money and meet a girl with big fake boobies. Alright, happy scratching to me. Alright, here we go. Let's looking for some Red Hot Sevens. Alright, we got 8, 14, 15, 13, not a 7, 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 not a 7. I mean, there's a 7 down there. Does that one count? Is that a black 7? Because it doesn't really specify. I think that should count. I think I get something for my $2. I mean, okay. Let's try again. Not a 7, 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 not a 7. No blacks or reds. I mean, what am I supposed to do? I guess, I lost another $2 on the Red Hot Sevens. More like Red Not Sevens, am I right? Oh, God, I'm so sad. Alright, well, I guess I'll just, you know what, I'm gonna give up on this Scratchers thing. I'm not winning, I'm just losing all sorts of money. I got like seven losers in a row. That's just like my family just gave birth to 7 losers. Well, I'll see y'all later. Lotto Lurvy out.